with the Survey Intermedia Edition, you have the ability to create custom reports. So if you go to your project or open up Business Center and press the F12 key, you'll be able to start entering in a command. So you'll bring up the command pane, and if you do a create new, as soon as you start typing create new, you'll see that you got this create new custom report. That's the actual command. So you're going to want to give it a report name. So maybe we're going to use an alignment, a custom alignment report. So we're going to do, company X alignment report. Okay, so we're just going to shorten it up, give it a name here, and give it a description. And you can base the report using what source data. So we want to use the source data from the alignment geometry report, and then from there you can create a select the report layout file. So when you click this button here, it's going to open it up. You'll see on my C drive under program data under Trimble report templates, there's some sample DOCX or Word doc reports. So we can use this alignment geometry report, and we'll click open, and you'll see that it brings it up. Now if we click OK, it's just gonna create that report as part of our project. If you click on edit layout, you're able to go in and actually open up Microsoft Word and modify the report to suit your needs. So as you can see, it's opened up Microsoft Word, and I've got the report information, and you're able to come in here and you can see the information and where it's tagged to in the report data layout fields. So if you wanted to reorganize this or modify it, you could do so.